9:54 in the morning. Alamin naman natin ngayon ang isinusulong na programang makakatulong po sa pag-aaral ng mga kabataan sa lalawigan ng Pampanga. Kasama natin via Skype si Gabriel Moshe Lacson, ang President, Provincial Federation of the Sangguniang Kabataan ng Pampanga. Magandang umaga po sa inyo, Board Member. Kumusta na po kayo?
Magandang umaga po, Secretary and Donor. Okay naman po, mabuti naman.
That's great. I believe you have actively been providing internet access to students with online classes. How do you implement this project?
Okay, so after the enhanced community quarantine was implemented, nagkaroon po tayo ng mga maraming problems, especially among students with regards to their internet connection and their accessibility to internet connection. So what we did po, what we did po here in Pampanga, yung mga Sangguniang Kabataan Councils with the capabilities to do so, provided venues with internet connections within their barangays in order to address this problem. Kami po kasi sa Sangguniang Kabataan ng Pampanga, we are for continuous learning during the pandemic. However, we do believe that the welfare of our students should be given importance.
Now, saan mo naman kinukuha ang pondo para sa ganitong klaseng project? Do you have collaboration with private organizations, foundations, institutions, at iba pang mga government agencies?
During the early weeks po ng enhanced community quarantine, meron pong problema with regards to the budget of the SKs dahil some of the councils hindi pa po bonded. So most of the expenses came from the out of pocket ng mga Sangguniang Kabataan officials. So meron din po mga private organizations from the private sectors na tumutulong sa atin.
Thank you so much for your inspiring story, Gabriel Moshe Lacson, ating President, Provincial Federation of the Sangguniang Kabataan dyan sa Pampanga. Ano po ang inyong message of inspiration sa inyong mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na po sa mga kabataan, hindi lang sa Pampanga, kundi sa buong Pilipinas?
Yes po. I'd like to take this opportunity to direct my message to the Sangguniang Kabataan officials all over the Philippines. I would like to commend their efforts, their dedication, and their compassion during this difficult time that we're experiencing in our country. So alam ko po, mahirap ang posisyon na pinasukan natin, pero magtutulungan po tayo kasama ang national government at ang mga local government units para malabanan po natin ang crisis na ating hinaharap ngayon.
Maraming salamat muli sa inyong panahon, SK President at Board Member Gabriel Lacson. Mabuhay ka.
Okay, din po.
Yeah, hopefully we can have you in the podcast also so we can talk more extensively.
Yes.
Thank you.